Me. Yeah. Me. I pretty like the mustache.
It's green.
I'm on this all day when I sleep. They have to turn to coins. It has to be magic like stuff.
Here. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a pot of gold since it's St. Patrick's Day. Jace is going to be doing some of the icing.
Yay!
Rounds of applause for Jace.
Yay!
High five. I'm going to teach him how to be a bomb like me. I started off very weak. Nah, that's a lie. I'm actually the best baker in the world, just so y'all know. Don't touch my, okay? So Jace, what do we do first, okay? So we, 1 second, I need to fix this. So first we're gonna ice this beautiful cake. And with the icing, so we okay, that was fun. Don't lick it. Gotta put the cake on this outline. This is the top, right? Yeah.
See you next time. Bye.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, guys. I'm gonna put this on the cake, okay? And then you're gonna smooth. That's a little bit too much. Just come. Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, Jace. Good job. Come on. Like this, like this. Now it looks like cake. Like that, Jace. Smear like that, okay? So I'm gonna put some more on it. Like that. I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
Good job. Use 2 hands. 2 hands.
Is that done?
Hard. Yay. Yeah. Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Me.
Socks. Knocks. Ox.
It's already done.
Yeah, it's done. It's done. Cake whip. And I'm gonna do half of it. Okay.
Can I do it now?
It's over. So, I'll put that right there. Okay, Jace. And where's the cake? There it is. You see this little lady? Let's put this on top of here.
Yay! Good job,
Good job,
Mommy.
guys. So
I pretty like the mustache.
it's green.
I'm on this all day when I sleep.
I'm gonna do this part since you did one before in there, okay? You fine with that? Okay.
Can I like that?
This? I don't care.
No, this.
No, not that. That thing's too big. Okay. Okay. How much money do you think's in a pot of gold?
Like 100.
How much is 100? Count to it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24,
Skip
25,
20.
26, 19, 100.
Good job.
I just skipped it.
leprechauns for the face. Oh, at the end of the rainbow and a little
Yeah.
a little thing that Shrek lives in.
No, they live in your
The rainbow.
No, it lives in your house.
Where's our leprechaun? You're just saying that because you are one, right?
I'm not a leprechaun. I'm not a kid. Chill out. It's just too good and I like it.
Okay, now you have to do this side, okay?
Oh God. What?
And you're gonna rub it in, Trace.
Then what will happen if we lose this one? What will happen? We'll take right? Will it? Okay, I'm just gonna turn it right here.
And I steer it so we don't get the There we go. This, you really need to stop eating all the chocolate. I can tell you put your finger in there. It's okay.
Little foodie. James, you are me back.
We're done. Okay, that be like that.
Now we need to put money in. Right?
That mailbox is mine.
Triagonals.
Triagonals.
That sign is mine. Triagonals. That sign is mine. Triagonals. Triagonals. Oh, I don't care. In my jar.
Okay, guys, let's move on to the cookies. The cookies are delicious, just so you know.
It's already open.
Put that in there.
Damn, see,
So we don't need any more extra.
that was all mine. And why don't you take the umbrella off?
Jesse, ready? You're gonna have to. Come sit. You're gonna squeeze it, okay? While I turn it, okay? This.
Can I get it?
Not super hard though. Squeeze. But he said hard. Okay? And you have to do that. Not too fast. Not too fast. Not too fast.
It's like poop.
Not this. I'm gonna do half of it. Okay?
And I do
So
have
it won't go.
It looks like poop.
That's disgusting. Seriously, don't say that. Don't say that. Oh, I accidentally did all of it on accident. Sorry, guys. I'm so used to not sharing. by
That's
making.
okay.
You sure about that?
Yes.
I really think it's okay. This video is supposed to be about you making some cake. So you're gonna have to spray paint.
10,000. Nothing to the 100,000, 80,
So-
50, 60,000, 80, 50, 60,
Watch this,
1,000,
guys.
80, 50, 60,
This part
1,000,
is up.
80, 50,000, 80,000. They eat all.
I am beast at this. Watch it. Just trying to get some action. Bam. Does it taste good? Is this eatable?
To eat?
Let's see.
Is that spray?
Well, it's flammable.
Can you die if you eat this?
No. Don't touch it. cookies.
I have to put it in the oven.
One more time. And this time, you want to do it, Jace? Okay. I'm just gonna
I get it.
hard, push hard. Ready, set. Shake, shake, shake. And oh, don't. Just like push your thumb right here. Yeah, like this, Jace. Okay.
Oh.
Good job, Jace. High five.
I didn't want to do it.
Yeah, you did.
You did that.
No, you did.
I'm gonna practice.
Okay. Hurry, one more time. Oh, you did it. But you did it on your finger.
No.
Okay, guys. Now, since you did the outline, all
Oh.
that's left to do is say, let's make something
Can I eat it?
extra. We're gonna put a handle. One handle. Can't handle my handle.
And I split this. I split that stuff out. So,
Guys, you actually made the handles. That's neat. That's neat. Oh.
yeah.
Now,
I want to eat that.
we're gonna put the golden cookies on.
Triangles.
Golden cookies.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven.
No.
Wait, they have to turn to coins. It has to be magic like stuff.
Here, put a cookie on.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll hand them to you.
Okay.
Here. It looks like they're not.
We actually need to do a little bit more of this. Like 3 more, that's all. 3 more cookies. 1, 2, 3. You have to make this quick, Jace. Spray. Good job, Jace, you're doing it. You're doing it.
Oh, it's sprayed on my hand again. But that's okay, right, honey?
Okay. Triangles.
Triangles. This time it is mine.
This time?
This time it is mine.
Ooh, guys, that's a pot of gold right
This is
there.
yours.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Always keep watching and
Wait, Mom,
subscribe,
wait,
comment
James.
if you like us,
We're gonna.
and tell me if me and my brother look handsome. And see you next time.
Wait, are we gonna turn into coins?
So someone asked if in the comments if it was better to be 10 or 5. So being 10, you get most of everything. Like if you're gonna get ice cream, I get most of it. But I have to go to school. That's the thing that sucks. He doesn't have to go to school. He's 5. He should be at school.
But
Because
I don't want to. Because I'm going to his school.
yeah, you're going to my school next year.
Then when is Jackson?
Don't worry about that. What do you like about being 5? And 10, you don't need to take naps. At 10, you only get money. That's a good thing though. And at 5, you get all these awesome toys and all that stuff. What do you like about being 5?
I don't know.
Do you like laying on the couch all day? Playing with Lily all day?
No, playing games on it.
He gets to play games all day, right?
Yeah, if you say it, right?
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and smash the subscribe button. Murder it.